literally lose their mind. Literally lose their mind because Andrew Holness win the election. We have to go set up some therapy centers in the near future for people. Because 5 years is a long time. 5 years is a very long time. Them not go survive it. And another thing we see is like you have some of the comrade them now where them never too enough up in the thing what they. So it come like them now, me no never the leader for the opposition party or the people in the opposition party hierarchy, me no never them, the top people them. I don't know if it's them get some new people, right? But me see some new face now. Yeah? Some new face, me see come forward now. And them start, them look at misinformation already. Them start, like it seems as if them get recruited. So every time now me see them videos show up. I mean I say, who that person here? And when you listen to them people speak a misinformation said speed, you know. But then come off as more intelligent with the misinformation. So them put forward the disinformation and the misinformation, but it's not the typical comrades them where belly are grown and you know like Cash and them man there and Ubler them and them type of one they then clean up, then get some clean up one. And like the one they when not live nowhere and the one they then get some clean up one. So when you see them now come on, them look a little bit more put together. So it's like a new strategy, you know, to get some different face to spread the disinformation. That me see one of them I say, Andrew Holness got a 100% increase on his salary in 2023, and in 2024 him get another 100%, and him go get another 100% now. I say, and when you check it, people believe. I remember saying, you know, in first impression last. See? So if them come across like them are some form of teacher, or them in some form of, or them have certain form of profession. If them come off like them have certain type of profession, and them put on good clothes, and them turn on them camera, and them speak is spokey. If them speak is spokey, yeah, they will get undecided. They will get undecided voters to listen to them. If them out, can everybody go do no research, you know? It's not everybody go challenge what them are saying, you know? It's not everybody gonna come forward and say, make me go look where that person is. Say it's just a matter of fact that this person now is more believable. So brace on yourself, labor rights. But that thing say, we not go just get 4 terms so and things say the same old man them like cool them and them man there some old man them and Sydney and them man there with the internet when I no teeth and them thing there. Them we not go see the next election cycle, you know? By local government and the next election cycle, you're not going to see belly a grung them and them people there. That thing there, that part they purge itself. Belly a grung and look security work a dog and anything they soon gear for walk with. She just have to lose some of the belly before they gear the dog. Because then if the dog get when she can't run down the dog, so they have to make sure you lose. Look away at first before then gear a dog. Then Caution them here, so Caution can't walk. Yes, I'm crippled from the waist down. So these people that we were able to challenge, yeah, and them we're not going to see next election cycle. Just know that. And some people already have positioned themselves more refined. Yeah? If you come spread the misinformation, so case in point, Andrew Holness judiciary review, that up for next month, around the year, Yeah? So when them start already, $700,000 it cost the government, the taxpayers, the government cost the taxpayers. So then come on them tell us say $700,000 for the government ministers them. Yeah? What them don't tell you is that the opposition is about 480 million. Them don't tell you that. Them don't tell you that it's over 2 billion for run the Integrity Commission per annum. So when they come and shape the arguments on that about say, yo, they must spend 700 million pound salary. Yeah? They must make sure so them label, they link that to teachers not getting enough. Teachers can't this. They must link that to you can't buy grocery. They must link that to all the things that them know say people complain about. The things that them know say the issues them. So the people them are going to come out, come campaign for PNP the next election cycle. It's not the same idiot them like Ingram them where no, as some people when I go back up on were well spoken, yeah, well decorated, yeah, well dressed, and speak as if they have some form of intellectual ability. Trust me upon that. Them already take shape. The only thing we're going to hurt the PNP in the next election is Mark Golding. The PNP baggage is Mark Golding. Understand that? And if them get him to step down, the party is going to be divided. Because the comrade them love Mark Golding. The illiterate comrades them, the uneducated comrade them, the Buguyaga comrade them, the blood and fire comrade them love Mark Golding. See? So the only issue, the most detrimental issue the PNP has is Mark Golding. Whether I'm stay or whether I'm get rid of him. Because it's early days, that I feel them only issue. If them not start go at each other for rulership or leadership or presidency, then prepare for the people them who are going to depend on social media where I spread the misinformation. Trust me. So I have a sharp mono sword. And this administration, this JLP administration can't take nothing for granted. And think that people are going to just hand them the fourth term. Because remember, say, fourth term, you can't come say, you are got this and you are got that and you are got this and you are got that, There has to be tangible things where you can give people to speak on. There has to be a different thing, you know. Cornwall Hospital have a fully opened, you know. Children's Hospital has to be up and running, you know. We have to start construction on a KPH, you know. And then sitting there for go on, you know. We have to go do whole heap of fixing on the road, you know, because trust me, a lot of rain fall over there, you know, enough of the road them dig up back already, you know. It's a good thing the man may put insurance upon the project. You see? But some road there we have a totally do over. And what the PNP do, the PNP have a wicked strategy line up, you know. The PNP already a plan where them are going to say if them not do no work. The PNP are going to sabotage them own constituency just to say Andrew Holness never give them resources. You know, you're the woman, Birchill, already come out and say Homer Davis, if you go retire or if you go on vacation, he's not needed. And I tell you, say, him already budgeted the constituency development fund. She said the man already budgeted that, you know. So in other words, you know, she tell us, say, she now can't get nothing done because no, she not get no money or the money spent already, you know. I remember, say, PNP don't used to the type of policy we put in place by Andrew Holness where you have to bring the invoice, you have to show where you get the money for. PNP not used to that, you know. At 10 years, PNP not touching something there, you know. All right. PNP lose 2020 by a landslide. You know much of them out there? No know where I go on and how the thing run? You think enough of them understand or enough of them want to? Even if them understand, you think them are go on to make certain say the procurement plan were in place followed? Them are going to throw up them and say, yo, we can't buy that, you know. We're not used to that something there. We used to government around the thing. And we just get a budget and we just go and call in some man and some man just come take a food and take a food and take a food and Ray take a food and give a food and give a food and we patch up the work and show us a little work done. And if a man eat a food mentality them have. Them not believing that something they have to go through certain procurement. So them are going to sabotage them own constituencies. And when election time come round, them are going to say, them not get no money from the government for do nothing. Them are going to come and say, I have been asking for the government to come here and get something done and give us the money to you know, see the woman already, the same woman we audition like she audition for somebody. Birchill. When you see down a Homer Davis. The only thing she care about of show her body, basically, in my opinion, you know. In my opinion, you know, she just want to look pretty, you know. She no plan for do no work based on what I see, you know. I just pretty she I'm muggling a go and down that, you know. And she knows that she can't flaunt her body and wear a little tight up shirt. Then when she does tie when the shirt tie the shirt sitting around so and she put on some jeans to the backside. The whole man they don't know when they see her walk past and she a flaunt that. And muggling a go and down. She a audition. She a play the camera for show whosoever She a show. Say, me there. Me a hold off the corner, yeah. Me a man. And me a lock the corner, yeah. And that she a deal with. She not work, me not think she a worry about fixing up constituency and partnership with the ruling party and partnership with Homer Davis, who is still the caretaker. She want the man go on vacation and the man are the caretaker. She don't want no checks and balance, no. She don't want nobody to oversee what she a do. She make you know, say, yo, leave. And me are the boss. She make you know, say, straight up, say, yo, me are the boss and me the people them elect. And me them elect. She said she have one book where she read. Yeah, the book where she read, I go give her a guide on how to be a MP, I guess, or a leader. So she have one book where she read. Because she fresh in the politics, it look like, you know, like she don't have no experience. So she tell you straight up, say, she read how to man this community or this constituency. She read her book. You see? So PNP no plan for do no work for them people, them we vote for them, you know. PNP plan for use it against Andrew Holness next election. So all I want to know in the 30s, I go be 35. And when I want 40, I go be 45. And when I want 50, I go be 55. And when I 55, I go be 60. You better know, say, PNP have more voices now in a position to tell lies. You know me, a man said 2 nights ago, said the mayor down at Hanover put out a statement, say, Desmond Mackenzie withhold funds from them. I said to him, man, say, the parish council, them spend certain money when them collect from the man say, no, sir, Mackenzie have to sign up on every money. So when them go and tell that for them people that you don't think say nothing are going to get Westmoreland. Let me tell you something, Westmoreland. Them are going to use all of them seats where them win for say, see, we there and we are witness to it. We there in the constituency and we are witness to it. No water no come down here. No road no fix down here. And that are them planning a bridging. Them are got black things. Just like how Rhoda Crawford said when she went into Manchester, the amount of money when she found sitting down. She said the money that was there sitting down, it she used and fix up enough place. Why the money they are sit down? That I believe, and based on how it shape, that is the plan of the PNP. They're gonna sabotage their own people. They're not gonna make resources reach them own people. Their people gonna be bitter and they're gonna jump in front of the camera with them people to act as if they're demonstrating for everything what the people them need. Just like how you see Burchill went in front of the camera about the road we want to fix. And remember say Homer Davis, you know, fix them and fix the thing, you know. And what she do? She get the camera and she went into action. So the people them not smart enough to understand say play them and get play, you know. Because what them do? Them work off of the people's them emotion. So the little needs of the people them have, them are going to use that now and them say, yeah man, come and go demonstrate, come and go demonstrate. The people are going to know bitter against Andrew Holness, and when the rest of the country see, say, oh, A real thing. Nothing never did I do in a constituency, them for true. See the peer and them vloggers, them I go take it and say, see it there, nothing no do this so, nothing no do this so. We don't here, we see it, and them are going to feed them vloggers, them more intellectual vloggers, them information. Yeah? Trust me on that. PNP wounded. And the only reason why them not start yet are because them unsure and them broke. You see them not keep them conference and couldn't keep them conference. They're wounded. But a wounded wild animal are the most dangerous thing. PNP wounded. The comrades them wounded. But them dangerous. Anytime they heal. Anytime they heal up. Them are come with blood. They're coming. And they're forming and they're planning. I tell you. Them a go, you think the last PNP them will tell lie wicked? You think the last PNP them will spread propaganda wicked? And them a one year go terrible. Them a one year looking at camera and not even budge. Them a one year when me see a pop up a tell lie. If me never know better, me believe. First thing, then start politicize the shooting on Clarendon. That's the first thing. And who them a blame? Andrew Holness. Crime rate down. Them say the police them forget the credit. Them say questionable shooting go on at Clarendon. Andrew Holness. So them are going to use all of them things there. And them not use them not use but them money where them promise $1 billion. Them not use but Gabriel and them. Gabriel and them get used already and dash by the wayside. Them are just unwanted comrades right now. No matter how them bite at themselves, nobody now look upon them again. Them washed. All of them washed. There are no match in a no talking points for the JLP speakers them or vloggers them. Them washed. The buguyaga them there. Them they are wingworm. Vermins them there. Caution them washed. Hungry I kill them. Hungry I kill all of them. Then now go survive. Then soon start cost the party. You just get on it that year when hungry really bite. Yeah, man. Then soon start cost the party. Hungry soon. Me and Ja look for them. Me and Drunker look for them. As some new smaddy, them a push out. Yeah, man. As some new sitting. So they have them Barbie with the Barbie gang. Yeah. Where I try appeal to certain class, to certain people, to certain women. Because them I try to do with Barbie gang, you know. Barbie gang have to appeal to certain women. The Barbie dolly. No man to be have to appeal, you know. No, a bit of how this Sa woman ya tembo me mother to her. Tidak say a bit man. Lord God. Damn. Well, me wish me could help you know. Me understand where I go, but me can't help you. Me can't help you. Me can't help you, star. Me can't help you. So just prepare for what come, man. Just prepare for everything when I come. Remember, also all artists, all PNP artists, when I go see a run out. And just I meet them off, you know. Them, listen me now, man. I meet them off. Because they can't afford a voice here. In a space, you know. I meet them off. Because remember say, no for the man, no for the artists, them are some old PNP, them, you know. Especially the old one, them, you know. And they hate the fact they know, say, yo, them see Vegas all perform on stage and the Prime Minister give him all jacket and kind of thing. And 1 p.m. jacket. And Vegas perform my inauguration and you don't like see that? Remember say them support PNP for years and never get recognized. You know? Remember that, you know? Remember you have the artists that I support PNP for years, you know. And PJ never yet look upon them, you know. And them are die-hearted PNP, you know. You never see PJ. I endorse them. We never see it. We never see Portia Simpson endorse them. Eh? We never see that. So them bitter. Them bitter. You want to say, yo, and Holness rate him. What? Listen, me have my project them when I work on my development them and them thing there. When you soon see on the media say, yo, up gig, government give me things. You know, so then say government give me X6. Right. Me want to buy one, you know. Me have to go buy one X6 because I want then drop down. Me have put one money together to buy one X6 because I want when they see me drive you out then drop down and say, Andrew, give me. Yeah, man. And me about 3 projects where me go run simultaneously. And me want to see them and drop down. Because me want to say, Andrew, give me them. And you listen me, no, man. Some people are drop down. Heart attack or kill. Me say let the people my boy and hate me up. Yo, listen, no, man. Listen, no, man. So all PNP. So all PNP. Excuse me. They might blame me, you know. They might blame me, you know. Because they can't deal 5 more years, you know, 5 more years. Some of them are 70, you know. 65, you know. All they get old, you know. Because enough of them think say them Marky G are going to come in, come give them back status. Enough of them of course Miss Babsy Grange and Andrew Holness, we don't give them OD too. That's why you hear them watch if me I go get OD. Yeah. Them watch if me I go get watch out, man. Any day me get OD. You go see them come out. Them go come out of them shell. Them go ball. Them go say, yo, look how long we they all sing and don't get no OD. Them go drop down. Listen me, no, man. What? You hear man a chat already about say, them not beg no OD. You don't understand what, man. Them bitter. A pure bitterness a go on. Labour, me not think Labour, me not think we understand, man. Me not think we understand. I just through them have division in a them party right now, in a them risers party. But it a come. It's coming. Them are going to multiply like blab. So, you see 35 MP where we have, them have to go put in the work for the next 5 years. So if we still up on the ground and still have the energy and the ability, God spare our life, if we challenge them, we have something to challenge them with. And it can't be a few months before any election, any local government, because we need back the local government, we need back the seat them from the, we need back KCMC seat. We need back Kingston and St. Andrew, you know. We need back a councillor seat them. So, we can't drop asleep and think, say, listen me, celebration done, you know. Celebration done at work time. It's work time. We have 35 MP. We have to get to work and here we go on now. That them not understand. So Andrew Holness the 10 step ahead of them, you know. Andrew Holness realize say, yo, him can't just use the MP them for run for them constituency, you know. So what do you think him do? Him make sure say him give them certain position, put them in certain ministries, where them not just oversee for them constituency. So in other words, you know, Andrew Holness, you know, win 35 seats, you know. But
voice message from Shamir.
Him win 35 seats, you know. But him put the people them, the member of parliament them, and the senators them, him put them in a position where they can impact the whole country. So there's no excuse for not get things done. So the member of parliament, them, the people are watching money where them are getting all kind of things, you know. Them work just turn up, see, Rhoda Crawford, a Canada, I think she's still there, Canada, you know. Send her up an assignment, you know. Go to Canada, you know, for education seminar, you know. Add them something there. So Rhoda Crawford now go for any form of assignment to represent just down in Manchester. She go for an assignment for impact the whole country. You see? Marlon Morgan is not just a senator. We come on the press conference, the man talk and go in a senator and Ray. No, Marlon Morgan is now under ministry where I'm involved in education. Andrew Holness outsmart them and step on the neck again, you know. And if you don't understand what going on, information in the travel, no man be education, some do the education, man. Because I see him the other day when the school, the bus, them it crash I speak on it. Yeah? So, yes, young Mula. Them, the Jamaica Labour Party 35 seat, it come like a 63. Let me say that again. The 35 seat come like a 63. It come like a whitewash or a clean sweep. Rude boy say, how that? Then you know already see it. You know, see the camera them a ball say 700 million spent for pay people out of taxpayer money. Dr. Andrew Holness enlarged the people, the MP them and the ministers them, you know, add them into under different portfolio, add them in a certain ministries, move Malawi and give the thing over to Delroy Chuck them. So Miss Fort now, Miss Fort I have time now to go do fair work down a Mobi, you know. And she have to go down a Mobi, you know, go link with the people them now and sort out fair thing in fair constituency. So she have to go hard at work in fair constituency, you know. Miss Foot. Miss Malawi Fort. Yeah. But I would, and some young, vibrant people, the Lana Save right them, young, vibrant people them. Nesta them still young, Nesta they under the Prime Minister wing again. So the Prime Minister oversee them. Them send currency over Babsy Grange and part. So another thing where I happen now too, at the grooming stage too, you know. At the learning stage now too, you know. Who are going to take over stage now, you know. Because Babsy Grange are going to resign. You see? We are going to need a tough Minister of National Security. Because Chang are going to resign. Darrell Vaz are going to resign. So when I lead that, them bite out themselves, you know, them don't know their position and Julius a position. The young minds, them, the young blood, them in a certain portfolio, under certain portfolio, so they can come take over, you know. You think so, Andrew Ness are going to wait till them resign and then try to get some money? No. But at the same time, them have more hands now we can man the rest of the society. But what are the obstacle? What do you think are the big obstacles are going out of the way? PNP again. Risers. Risers are the stumbling block in the way. Understand that? And know that them in a parliament, you not go get leak until you think a house stop. And when rain fall, you not get leak from left, right, center, up, down, round. You not go and get leak pan top of leak. What? Right now, if anybody cough right now, we're not going to hear about him, man. Now, if you're going to shit and come up from the page and top box, me top sing, man. Go name shit, man. You see me over here sing, man. You see page name. Name shit and go in, man. Sure. Carter? See, Plain say, if me think that Jamaica no need an opposition, of course Jamaica need an opposition. We don't need obstructionist. We need opposition because we need checks and balance. We never at that is a democracy. You see? Carter? You're texting me. May I come? I'm coming. I'm coming. Yeah. We need opposition, virgin, or sister, or whatever you are. We don't need people to try. You know? Opposed to the point where we don't get nothing done. That are the difference. You see? We don't need that. We need people to keep the government on them toes and make certain say the policies them were passed and are put in place. Yeah? But them people are not depend that. This group not depend that. See the woman there. See Barbie. See Barbie. Don't have Moby already. Start already. So she gone and gonna tell the man, the caretaker, the JLP caretaker, say he must go on vacation. He must go resign. Shall I recommend book for him read? How to handle a loss or transition. See? The PNP no plan to be opposition to hold the people in government or farm government accountable. They're in opposition to stop progress because they believe the only way they can win an election is if Andrew Holness looks bad. Is if them can point say Andrew Holness did nothing. The obstructionists them were in the thing there now. Them no want that 5 years or that 4 years be prosperous. That is not what they're about. You see? Them already show them hand. First thing them do, them put out statement. We don't want Juliet Holness to be Speaker of the House. I test the water. You know? So Andrew Holness have to double down. Even if we never want Juliet Holness to be Speaker of the House, should have to be Speaker of the House because we not take no intimidation from the risers them. Even if they may decide to go in a different direction and give back that rimp. We never did go do it after they come out come put out ultimatum. We are at chess we are playing. We don't win the election if we come dictate what we do. so them no plan to be an opposition to ensure checks and balance and good governance. It's not what they're about. And Andrew Holness not take nobody up. You know, see Andrew Holness not even take talk from the brother down a Burkina Faso, Ibrahim. You know, see Andrew Holness go on national, worldwide platform, go tell him, say, yo, there's certain ways to be a leader and put him in place. Andrew Holness not take, Andrew Holness and look at DB squash we take bad up, intimidation. Andrew Holness go over Spanish town and tell the man, him say, yo, no done, no bad man now run that program here, try me. You can't, he ain't playing. The man just come in and just say, yo, you minister, go under the portfolio there. You are minister. You are minister, you are minister, you go there so, you go there so. Yeah. Marlene Malawu, what's up? What going on with you? All right. Yeah, man, stay in your constituency and go and develop that. Yeah, man. They ain't playing. Jokey something there. No. So we not take no bad up. We not take no intimidation from the risers them. And we can't even make them think. We can't make them think for a minute. So we are going to fool. Because all they do is bluff. Bluff, and just want Andrew Holness to show any signs of weakness. Once Andrew Holness show any signs of weakness, them are going to pound. Them are going to just pounce and just take it and just run with it and run with it. That's all they want, cracks in the wall. That's all they want. Sidney and Jackson Miller went fishing with Madam Paula and Llewellyn. I try to bring up back a certain case to start public debates. Why do you think she's doing that? You're trying to put cracks in the well. You want to leak out the water. Them not dead to make certain say the well never runs dry. That is not what these risers want. The risers them know say them cannot beat Andrew Holness on policies, diplomacy, anything that calls for good governance. Them can't beat Andrew Holness. Them know this. So they have to try and put a crack in at the well. They have to. You see? And they will never stop trying. They will never stop. You understand that? They're not going to stop. So, the 35 people we have, yeah? And the position with them hold, them have to go work very hard. You see? Very, very hard. We have to go, Mr. Vaz, have to go get a good deal with JPS and leave that as his legacy. And I know he's very, very passionate about that. So, that's one thing we can look forward to. If Mr. Vaz get a good deal from JPS, yeah, and I know he will try for it, that will be his legacy. So far, the school bus system, where the PNP them gamble pan and lose, yeah, the school, the rural, school bus system, where the comrades them gamble pan and lose, it's already in the win column for Darrell Vaz. Andrew Holness, especially Darrell Vaz. All of a sudden, we see 2 minivan and one other, was it a taxi, unalive and injured some children. Me no see it in the media. Me see it come out pan in the Gleaner and dead. You know, see the comrades them a run round and say, yo, we have to get rid of them minibus here because the driver them now follow the road code, the traffic act. Yeah? They ain't saying anything. You see? Bus run down all a gully with children. One time, the way they might try fabricate something, they say, I want the school bus them. Until the picture of them came out and it's not a school bus. So Darrell Vaz, the school bus system in the win column for Darrell Vaz, it's a part-time legacy. At 2 weeks of school or 3 weeks of school, we're going now. And them it say, the bus them, I go analyze Pitney and the bus them now can go up the hill them, and the bus them now can turn on the road. The first day the bus them roll out, I see them have a picture show say can't pass one truck. And as he said the road now around the truck did for wait till the bus come down. Like anytime we pass truck on the road. So far, the bus them, the children might enjoy them. You have one of the bus, them the little boy them on the bus. Them say they love Andrew Holness. And the kids are aware that the PNP did not want them to get the buses. So that in the win column for Mr. Vaz and his wife and Andrew Holness. The children who are taking the buses know that the PNP never want them take the bus them. Never want to get the bus them. Yeah. All we know them say it. And View say him wife lose her seat, but she win the war. And she win the war. And she get donation for bringing the first bus them in a Portland. Yeah? Another thing I want to say before me cut. The Jamaica Labour Party must get people in place, yeah, to get people enumerated, especially the people who are going to turn 18. We have to get people enumerated. Jamaica is a small country. It can be done. We just need people in places to get it done. You see? The PNP did all they could. They got back some seats. They got back 14 out of way, them lose. You see? We can't depend on it and can't just sit down and just take it for granted. Say everything level now. Because all it needs now is a flip. We can't bank on that now. So if we don't want the fourth term, we don't have to get Bumbuckler and Bass come off of my page, man, look how much music me have. I want to still talk about the music. When music do, you don't want no fucking music. You don't want no music, man. Tap company page, can talk about music. I don't want no music. Sure. You don't want no music, man. Yeah, Neil, your goddaughter, we are reach 18, our voters age. Yeah, man, makes sense that she get enumerated. We have to do that. Yeah. We have to find, it's like when I'm recruit people, when I'm recruit people for be part of PNP, why you want them sitting there. And so we have to find, when make certain say, we get the youth them who are going to be of voters age enumerated. We have to. Yeah, we have to show up from door to door. If it's legal, whatever the legal way is, me don't know the legal way. But there must be a legal way how to get the people them enumerated. And how we do it, we'd have to keep seminars, we have to keep town hall meetings, we have to go into the schools to do public speaking, we have to go into the churches to worship with them. These are the things that we have to do. We have to go back and get involved in a community development. You see? Community organizations. These are the things that we have to do. Because we can't keep having 30-something% here, less than 40% of people have vote. When less than 40% of people consistently have vote, it can flip anywhere at any time. And the work with the Jamaica Labour Party, if you do with a young, vibrant Holness, who still has, I believe, a next 2 term before him can whatever he want to do, but him need 4th and 5th term to set Jamaica like Singapore. We need the 4th and the 5th term to set Jamaica. So every man, woman, and child can be living a good life. can live a good life. That's what we want to happen to Jamaica, you know. I want when me reach 65, or in my 60s, me can look back and say, yeah man, I was a part of this building, you know. And that legacy they were greater than even a music legacy. If you know, say, people move from extreme poverty. You see? Yeah, man. If you know, say, everybody are running water in them house. Yeah, man. Quality water. At them thing that how we are going to set Mr. Holness legacy in stone, you know. But there has to be a great focus on enumerating the generation to come. The generation where the PNP thinks if it can come get handout. The generation where the PNP lie to constantly. Where the risers, they lie to constantly. The generation where Mark Golding decided that he was going to wait last minute to bitch up something called manifesto and give them. You have to remind them of these things. These are the people who are supposed to care for you and your future. And look at this manifesto. The picture with the beach is not even a Jamaican beach, the way it was batch up and bitch up. You have to remind them, say, yo, it's not rum and boom, like where Ian Hills campaign pan and here. The old people, them, we're going to vote for Ian Hills, them. We have to find the youth, them, to outvote them. Understand that. We have to remind the youth, them, say, rise as PNP, rise as the now party, because the PNP party now, the rise as party now. We have to remind them, say, yo, them not care about you. They want to put taxes on imported goods for you pay more for food. When we get to the 3.5, the 32,000. When we get to the 32,000 livable wage, when we get there in 5 years, we have to wear it like a badge of honor and remind them, say, the PNP say it couldn't be done. But we have to enumerate them so they can vote. We can't just come tell them and I try to get the same all undecided voters and we don't care about PNP nor JLP. We have to leave these people who don't care about JLP or PNP, about them not want involved in politics, even though they want to buy things cheaper and they want to get better water and they want to get better roads and they want to get better hospitals and they want to get better this and better that and better every damn thing. But then they sit down on the sideline and don't vote. We have to leave them alone. They're not going to change. We have to find the youth, them we are going to be of age 20, 30. And the local government. We have to start finding them youth here. And the first increase on the minimum wage, we have to remind them where we're taking it. Inflation down. We're going to continue to bring down crime rate. Because we still, even in the midst of controversy, we still have to encourage the police officers them to do them work, to cut down criminals or bring them to justice. We have to stand with the police them. And we can't make the poisonous mouths link every police or the whole security apparatus to one incident was still under investigation. We can't make the police them lose hope. So crime rate go back up. Because notice, notice some things we are going from what is that the criminal them thinks the PNP are going to win, So that some of them look like them with that, I wait and see. But we notice some of them turn up back a thing, The criminal them get brazen again, So we have to be careful how we out there and generalize the whole security force. So the police them start fool them on again, And say, oh me, I'm going to do what I'm doing, Yeah, hello? Something I'm going to so. So no vehicle no there. Because the police now going to send them go to prison, Yeah. The police now I'm going to send them go to prison. You have to understand that when police just say, yo, the man them do what them are doing, because I can't bother them people, No for you go ball, No for you come out and cuss the police, them and go, wow, see them and ball for see them. If the police never fool them and say, yo, criminal them people I want, Excuse me, just know that. We can't go back there, so we have to encourage the police. Them have to say, yo, do no work lawfully. But bring them criminal to justice. Judge our maker. And that's what matter. Judge our maker. So if you don't get deported and come to Jamaica and things, so you can come turn up the thing and come buy up gun and sell ammunition and sell gun and gun trade and analyze people and turn hitman to come to Jamaica and decide so no want to work. Yeah? I want to live in Jamaica and I go and I couldn't want to work, I want to turn hitman, I want to turn up the thing. No, judge our maker. Judge our maker. We have to preach it. Judge our maker. Judge our maker. Yep. So the bad police them, if you don't find evidence, if you charge them, and make them go face the court. But we cannot, as citizens, generalize the thing, brethren. Because we don't want them police to start saying, yo, them people here, allow them, Nah, go around there, Them go off. When the shot done, me go around there. When them done war, me go around there. Well, them the big gun, they don't bust around them, I go around there. Next time I go around there, go shoot all a man, and he catch pan camera to write it, and I go to prison. Can't. We have to know that we have to weed out the bad police, them. When they get catching them act of illegal behaviors, we deal with it. You see? But we cannot bring back the country to its knees when criminal. Because you go on, gunman no business if you're a Labour right or PNP, or NP, Man we carry hit man, Man we carry hit work, hit jobs, Him no care for Labour right or PNP or PM, You better know that. Him no care if you depend on social media about police, The criminal them will come for do things and you think so them care if you depend on internet about police and a defend gunman. They don't care about that. No gunman no business to do. When gunman come for do things to rob you and rape you and all them something there, you think so them are going to say, yo, so what you say, you like gunman? Gunman no depend that, criminal no depend that. You think a criminal come for rob you because you hear say you are do well. Or you come from foreign and you have some money and you plan to buy a house and come move back to Jamaica and all them things. You're on the internet every day you beat up police. You think say criminals. When they come for you, them are going to say, so tell me something. You like criminals? You burn police. Tell me which criminal ever come for you and ask if you burn police. Oh, you're one of them who burn police. Alright, here we go now. Have a good night here, I'm not trouble you. Yeah, man. You lock the door here? Yeah, lock the door. You put on the padlock on your grill. No, they might come nyam your food. So I soon in the internet I buy it upon myself, you know. And I cause police and I sitting there, you know. And I say police say this and police say that, you know. The gunman are rate, you know. Gunman not sorry for, you know. Criminal not sorry for, you know. Criminal not come to take your 3 pints and your money and your whole family. When criminal come there, oh dear man. And in front of your husband, they want to grape you. Some of them criminal you have to fish them to them go to grape all your husband in front of you too. Yeah, man. You have to know these things, brethren. We can't turn back. We can't make comrades with them talking point dominate idle minds and vulnerable minds. We have to get to the youth them and start educate them.
Message on WhatsApp from Sharad.
We have to get to that and start educate them. Yeah? Yeah, man. Yeah? And get them enumerated. So when we are canvas, we know, say, yeah. The place when we are going to build up down a central down a spot, Donovan Williams win, when beat Steve, whatever his name, the old policeman, Steve McGregor. Yeah, man, all the building there, the project there, all the project there have to start. Because we are in the zinc fence. We have another project over Canterbury to start to. You see? Because over Canterbury, you know, we have to get the people relocated. You know. We don't need, we have to show the people and say we have to get rid of zinc fence and anything there. Right now, credit ratings, they are a BB, the best it has ever been. I don't know if it's how long ago, but since it's 12 years of Angelonis, or 10 years of Angelonis, excuse me, are the best it has been. Coming from Portia Simpson. You see, I don't know how far back it go, but I know it's the best it has been. So our credit rating right now is at BB. Anytime we get to A, you know what that means? We can pay a loan. So people are going to lend me money. So we are get rid of zinc fence. We are get rid of dirty gully. We have to transform this beautiful country. We have to clean up the beach them and give the people them good beach access. We don't have to recruit the youth them to be a part of this movement. Parents, we don't have to start talking to the youth them and say, yo, you need to get enumerated as soon as they come of age. And educate them and show them the vision, which part we are go, where we are take the country to. The Jamaica Labour Party must get us into areas where we can reach the youth them while we can, while we're still able, while our cognitive level is still up there. You have to understand these things. The people who can articulate the points, they must be used, who are willing to be used. Come at them about music. Come at them about music. Me talk about a city on the hill. At them about music. We'll play music when we get up there. Not them about music and if sing new music. I will not tell the other artists them to go sing new music. Or the favorite artists them sing new music. I get new hit song. Me tell me have an album out. My album is called Ghetto Reggae. Go and download it. You download it yet? Go and go download it. Yeah? And that if you go download. Go download it and listen it and juggle and bubble. You see? Mm-hmm. But we will play music when we get up on this hill. Bright, shiny Jamaica. Sparkling bright in the Caribbean breeze. That is what we're working on. A beautiful country. Yeah? So all who don't want to be a part of it and want to take up gun, and want to do badness, judge our maker. Because we are one and we are good no chance. We're giving them a chance, to integrate yourself into the part of society where you can live a lawful life. You see? So, get on board or go overboard. Come on board or go overboard. You see? And we can make a better country. You see? Number one in the, not which Caribbean, number one in the world. It's Caribbean. We want people from all over the world come invest in our beautiful country. We want to have buffers in place, insurance in place. So when in the form of shock, external shocks, we can recover quickly because we will have external shocks. You see? We're not immune to external shocks, but how we recover. You see? And that we want to have buffers. How we recover. And as the Prime Minister said, when we fix up our place, and everybody can have a better life. And every country in the world have poverty. Every country in the world have poverty. You will never be able to take everybody out of poverty. Every country in the world have poverty. Down to Finland. You see? But we have to get rid of extreme poverty. We have to. And when we fix up our place, we can help our brothers over Haiti with bilateral agreements. That's all we need. Because as the Prime Minister said, Haiti has a lot of resources. We can help the whole Caribbean. And me as a pro-Haitian, yeah, or me were pro-Haiti, yeah, me were pro-Dessalines, I'm pro-Bookman, I'm Toussaint. Me can't wait for that day to come when my Prime Minister, Dr. Andrew Holness, fix up a country and we can now put more focus on helping Haiti escape gang violence and poverty. Those are the dreams, Virgin. Those are the visions that we must have as a people. We want better for ourselves and better for our brothers and sisters from Africa. You see? So don't get bored. Get on board. Don't get bored. No, say the risers, them a plan. And them a plan how to stop everything we may just talk about. Understand that. Understand, say the risers, them a plan to stop everything where Andrew Holness are trying to do for this country. Everything. Them don't even want them get no pay. Them already are worried about the money where them get for them pay. But the risers, them not tell you, say, them not go take for them salary. We're going to cost taxpayers over 480 million. You see none of them say them not take no pay? You see none of them say them are going to work for free? You see none of them say them are going to donate them pay to them constituency? Huh? You hear Mark Golden say Mark Golden did say I'm going to give him salary to charity. You did hear him say I'm going to use that and fix up the constituency? Did you hear that? All them want to do is obstruct. That's all them want to do. Them not interested in building up Jamaica, and we must get that message to the youth them. We can't wait till election time. We have to make the youth them feel like them are part of the process. You have to make the youth them feel like, yo, we are building up Jamaica, not just the Jamaica Labour Party government and Holness. The youth them have to feel like we, all of us, you see, we are just one team to build up this country. That is it. So when a youth join the police force, him know say him are going out forward. A good reason to keep Jamaica free of violence and crime. Because that is the country he wants to live in. When a woman become a teacher, and hopefully we can get them to a salary where them not all right with, but where them will agree to. And it will not be a situation where we have to politicize the teachers' salary. Those are the things we have to work on. You know. We can't continue to have the teachers them a ball and a ball and a ball. And the teachers them must perform. The teachers and the parents them, you have to step up. You have to step up, you know. You can't be like the woman who on TikTok and say, yo, TikTok our workplace, she don't have no time for look on her picking them or take any form of parents, teachers, meeting because she there her workplace on TikTok. We have to do better. These are things that these are case studies. This is not like mix up. These are things that we have to use and understand why children not living up to expectation in terms of passing certain subjects or certain amount of subjects. We have parents where say, yo, this is something where we have evidence of, you know, where a woman, because she live on TikTok, she don't want to talk to the teachers association, the parents teachers association. We have to use these lessons and these evidence we have to form whatever opinion or hypothesis we have on the situation or theories. You see? We have to understand that the children might leave home stressed. Because we have people on the internet and it can't be just one person feel so. We feel like when she get too stressed out, she want to poison our children, them. Or kill or unalive our children, them. And some children, them stress from home. So them stress in a class. So parents, we have to do better, you know. Teachers have to do better, you know. We can't have a teacher, we don't know the fullness of the teacher, something about based on what we see everybody a circulate. Me don't know if the teacher deliberately misspell some words, full the statement of grammatical errors for save the students them know it. And I hope so I go see a video with her correcting the students them. But what baffled me is the children them a read. And none of the children them must stop and say, Miss, that word should be HAS. Not one of the students them. And one of the students who were reading the statement stopped or pointed it out, said, Miss, because if I were in that class, I'd have put my hand up. So me I hope say the teacher, we're going to see a video with the teacher, I go correct them and said, you all read this. But didn't you realize that this word was supposed to be HAS and not AS? You realize that this was supposed to be, you know, a plural verb? Do you realize that this was supposed to be a plural noun? I don't know. But let us, what we have so far is a testament as to why our children are not doing good. If this what we saw is the situation, then we cannot have teachers like them teachers there, a black road. We can't have them teachers there who demonstrate and them want more pay. So we have the Ministry of Education. You have to now do a comprehensive overhaul of the education system, and find out the teachers them were not qualified. We need watchdogs. You see? We can't, because we see politicians show off them dolly body, and teachers emulate and show off dolly body too. We think that is the standard. And the president, that, everybody must follow, and the student, they must just go along with it and pay more attention to teacher batting at the tight jeans or the tight skirt. You see? So, we have a whole heap of work to do. Don't it? We have a whole heap of work to do. Don't make the new comrades them catch you sleeping at the wheel. We have to move together. And for the people in the places where can get us in the right places. We now waiting on near election to go run, go cuss nobody. You see? Rattigan them already a plan. When me hear Rattigan them a talking, right after election, Rattigan them a take donation and a take, not when them call it, them a take funding or them a set up funding to fight the government. Them already a try bring things to FBI about the government. It's a non-stop attack. And a lot of these people were left with mess on their faces. A lot of people invested financially. Some of them invested time and all manner of things in the last election. Them want it back. You see? So do not drop asleep at the wheel. Yeah? Don't go sleep when we get on top of the hill.